Hi all, welcome back to Enchanting English. We all love to travel, don't we? And we use different modes of transport for traveling. We use bus, car, train, airplane, and so many other modes of transport. Now we may have doubt what preposition to be used before these modes of transport. Well, this is what you are going to learn today. Come, let's dive into the topic. We use by when we talk about means of transport. Hence we say, we travel by train. We travel by car. We travel by train. We travel by air. Now, try to understand that we never use the article a and the before these modes of transport when you refer to a general mode of transport. So we don't say we travel by the train or we travel by a train. We just say we travel by train without article, without using a, an or the. Now, there's something interesting here. Does it mean that we have to use only by when we talk about means of transport? Not at all. It depends on the meaning that you convey. We do not use by when the reference is to a specific mode of transport, to a specific bicycle or a specific car or a specific train. We do not use by. Instead, we use the other prepositions like on or in. So, we use on to mean a specific bike, bus, train, ship or plane. For example, we say, my brother went there on my bike. Which bike? My bike. So you mean the specific bike there. We do not say my brother went there by my bike. Instead we say my brother went there on my bike because you mean specific bike. Also, look at this example. I'll go to the office on the 7:30 bus. Which bus? You mean the bus which arrives at 7:30. So you mean the specific bus. And hence you say, I'll go to the office on the 7:30 bus. So remember here, you have used on. Now, we use the preposition in to mean a specific car, van, taxi, lorry or ambulance. So you say, they came to my house in a taxi. They came to my house in their brother's taxi. We use in there. We traveled to Delhi in Mr. Joshi's car. And we don't say we traveled to Delhi by Mr. Joshi's car. We say in Mr. Joshi's car. Which car? Mr. Joshi's car. So you mean specific car there. So in this case, we don't use the preposition by. I hope this is clear. And also, now remember, you don't use sometimes any kind of transport. You rely or you depend only on your foot. You prefer to walk to a place. How do you convey this matter? I have heard many say like this, I went to school by walk. This is a substandard usage. Never say by walk. Instead, you should say, I went to school on foot. On foot. Don't say by foot. We say, I went to the school on foot. Don't say, I went to the school by foot or by walk. It's wrong. If you want to use the word walk, you can say like this: I walked to the school, or I walked to the temple. Don't say I went by foot or I went by walk. It's wrong. You should say I went on foot. I believe today's session was quite interesting to you. If you found the session useful, please do click the like button. Also, please comment, share, and if you are not my subscriber, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.